Welcome back to the kitchen with Miss Pam and her helpers, Amelia and Evelyn. And we're going to show you how to slice an egg today and peel it. So hopefully your hands are clean and you have your apron ready so you don't get your clothes all messy. Okay, put your tummy to the table. So we've already washed our hands, so I'm going to give Amelia the first egg. And these are already hard boiled, okay? So your parents can do that for you. And sure, you can do that one. So you're gonna crack it on the board. She's gonna crack it and roll it. Roll it, Amelia. Yeah, crack it and roll it. There you go. Ooh, you hear that sound? Let me show them. Hold on. So she's got the shell cracked open. And now she's gonna peel it into this little bowl. Okay, so I'll give Evelyn a turn for the cracking and rolling. Crack, 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 and roll. Push it down. Yep. Yeah.
Look, it's kind of like a little tooth hacking from its egg.
It sure is. So once Amelia has all of the shells off, I'm going to pass the compost bin over to Evelyn. Now I'm going to show you, just wait for Amelia to be done. This is the egg slicer here. See these? So I'm going to pass this one over to Amelia. And Evelyn, you're going to peel your egg into the bowl here. So let me show them, Amelia, as she's closing it down. Okay, go ahead.
Mama.
It slices the egg right like that. Wow. Isn't that nice?
Mm-hmm.
So Amelia's going to take our tongs and put the egg on our plate for snack. How's Evelyn's peeling going over here? Yeah, that's okay. So get all the shells off. You don't want to eat any shells because they're not very good for your stomach. Good.
And they taste horrible. And they will make you throw up.
Maybe.
Very big.
Okay. So, is Evelyn almost ready to slice the egg?
And you need to food the way of your eat, right?
I hope not. We just won't eat them.
Yeah.
Okay, so now Evelyn's ready to put her egg in the slicer. Right there. Now Evelyn, push it down. Whee! Look at that. Easiest way to slice an egg. Right there. Okay, Evelyn.
It's easy.
Now take your tongs and put our snack onto our lovely plate. And we're going to have so much fun eating this snack. Good. Yeah, use it this way. There we go. Whoop. And this is a great fine motor activity, transferring the snack onto the plate. Now I'm going to ask Amelia to take this to our snack table. Evelyn, you can take the shells into the compost bin. And I will, over there, and I'll take all the dishes over to the sink. And as always, make sure you clean up your area. Keep the house nice and tidy. Help out your parents. And wash your hands when you're done. Thanks, friends.